Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove video transitions without pressing the undo button on CapCut PC. So I've added these 5 video transitions, and usually I would just select the undo button to delete the video transitions. But what you can do if you don't want that, for instance, you've already added this in and saved it, so just select it and just press delete or backspace on your keyboard. And I'm just going to do it for all of them. And if you don't want these splits, just select the clips you want to merge, right click and select create compound clip, and it's going to be in one clip again. So that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!